Next, let's dive into a more advanced example where we'll work with multiple data types, including integers, floats, strings, booleans, lists, sets, tuples, and dictionaries. This will give you a better understanding of how Python handles different types of data. In this code, we are working with a variety of data types: an integer for age, a float for height, a string for name, a boolean for his underscore student, a set for subjects, a list for marks, a tuple for percentage, and a dictionary for person underscore info. Now let's run the code and see the output. When we run this code, we get the following output, which includes both the value and the type of each variable. As you can see, each variable's type is displayed alongside its value. This is useful because understanding the type of a variable helps you know what operations you can perform on it and how to manipulate it in your program. To summarize, in this video, we've learned how to define variables of different data types in Python, how to print both their values and types, and how to work with strings, integers, floats, booleans, sets, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Python makes it simple to work with these data types, which are essential for any Python program. Now that you have a basic understanding of data types, you can explore more complex Python concepts. In future videos, we will dive into more advanced topics such as loops, functions, and object-oriented programming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Python tutorial.